Hello, so these are calculus questions that I want us to discuss together. And this video is dedicated to Precious Mpanzi from Lusaka, Zambia. Person had to send me money for bundles, and I guess this video will help you, not only you, even other people that are watching it. So the question is saying that these are the questions. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to x squared plus x minus 2 at the point 1, 4. Then we are also given this particular question. Evaluate. So we are told to evaluate this. And the next question here is where we are told to find dy dx. I want to make these questions simple. So the person is an internal candidate 2024 from Lusaka. So if you are writing your exams, GCE or internal exams, this video will help you understand. This video will help you improve your grade in mathematics. So how can we find the equation of the normal? This is the first question that is there. How can you find the equation of the normal to the curve? So if you want to find the equation of the normal to the curve, the first thing you need to do is to get the equation. So let me say solutions. So the first thing we are going to do is to get the equation. Y is equal to x squared plus x minus 2. We differentiate the given equation. How then do we differentiate the given equation? We say dy dx is equal to, we use a formula nax n minus 1, where you know that n is the power, a is the coefficient, x, that is the variable, n is the power, minus 1. So these are some of the things that we are supposed to know. So we are going to say dy dx is equal to, the coefficient is 1, 2 times 1, that is 2, x maintains, then I've got power 2, then I say minus 1, plus, there is 1, there is 1. 1 times 1 is 1, x maintains, I can't write 1x. So I'll say x, then 1 minus 1. Minus, what is the coefficient of a constant number? I mean, what is the derivative of a constant number? When you differentiate a constant number, you get 0. So we are going to get a 0. After doing this, I'm going to say final answer is then equal to 2x plus 1. This is the answer I'm going to get. This is called a gradient function. So this is called a gradient function. Maybe you're wondering, how did this one come about? You've got x power 1 minus 1. This is x power 0. Anything less than the power 0 is 1. This is where the 1 is coming from. I've told you that this is a gradient function. So this is to tell you that we can find the gradient here. We can just say gradient is equal to, we've got 2x plus 1. So where there is x, that's the reason why we are given a coordinate which is there. X is 1, y is 4. So where there is x, we put 1. 2 times 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. So gradient is what? Gradient is 3. If you are taught to find the equation of the tangent, you just go direct. From here, you just say y minus y1 is equal to m open bracket x minus x1. You just go direct. But since we are taught to find the equation of the normal, we need to find gradient 2, where we know that gradient 1 multiplied by gradient 2, we are going to get negative 1. Gradient 1 is this 3, so 3m2 is equal to negative 1, where I'll just say divide 3, divide 3. I divide 3 both sides. So this will be cancelled. So meaning gradient 2 is equal to negative 1 over 3. This is the gradient I'm going to use for the equation of the what? Equation of the normal. So I just need to substitute now. Y minus, what is y1? Y is 4. So I put 4, which is equal to, what is the gradient? Negative 1 over 3 x minus, what is x1? x1. What is x1? 1. I put a 1 there. I do this. This is y is equal to, this 4 goes the other side. Negative 1 over 3x. Negative times negative, that is positive, times 1, 1 over 3. When this one comes this side, it becomes positive like that. Finally, therefore, y is equal to negative 1 over 3x. When you do your evaluation there, you are going to get your answer as this 13. You are going to say plus 13 over 3. Meaning this is the equation of the normal. This is how you are supposed to answer that particular question. So these are ways. Once you know how to answer this, questions will come just like this in an exam, and you just need to make sure that you know how to answer these questions like this. So I've answered the first part of the question. I guess you've seen how I've answered it. This is what you are supposed to do. These are certain things you need to understand even as you answer questions in an exam. Let us move now to question 2. Question 2, I'm told to evaluate. So before I answer question 2, let me just answer this one. I'm told to find dy dx. The same way I'm from doing dy dx is equal to 3 times 4, that is 12, x 3 minus 1. This is just the formula, minus 2 times 2, that is 4x, then 2 minus 1. Derivative, if you differentiate a constant number, you get a 0, so plus 0. Finally, the answer is equal to dy dx. The answer is equal to what? This is 12x squared minus 4x per 1. We don't show a 1. So this is the what? This is the answer. So that is how you are supposed to answer that one. I guess you've seen how I've answered this. This is how you are supposed to answer it. We now move to this question that is here. How then can we answer this one? This is integration. This one is falling under what? Integration. How do we integrate? So for us to integrate this, you know that we get to use the formula ax to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. This is what we are going to do. We'll just be adding. I get that one. That is 6x power 5. You are adding a 1. What is on top comes down. 5 plus 1 comes down. Minus, that is x power 4. I just say plus 1 over 4 plus 1. Then I say plus, that is 3x squared. I say plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Minus 1 is just the same as x power 0. It is just 1 and the same. X to the power 0 is 1. So negative 1 will still appear. Then I just say plus 1 over 0 plus 1. I do this. The limits come this side. So write the limits this side. I put the limits this side. I've got 2 and negative 1 there. This is what I need to do. So I work out what is the answer here. What answer am I going to get at this part? The answer that I'm going to get, this is the 6. 6 cancelled out. Just have x power 6 minus x power 5 over 5 there. Then plus, this is 3. 3 cancelled. I'll just have x cubed. Then minus, this is just x. So this is what I'm going to have. Then the limits come this side. I've got 2 and negative 1. How then do we answer this question? We are going to answer this question together, and I want to see your answers in the comments section. I'll be checking through your answers, so you submit and tell me the final answer. Tell me the final answer you're going to get. I want you to practice. 2. We put 2 here throughout. So I will do this. Then I say 2 power 6 minus 2 to the power 5 over 5 plus 2 to the power 3 minus 2. I've put a 2 throughout. Then I say minus, I'm finding the difference. Then I put -1 throughout. So I'm going to put a -1 throughout. I say -1 power what? 6 minus -1 power 5 over 5 plus -1 power 3 minus -1, like this. So this is where I'm going to end from myself. I want you to finish this. Answer. This is paper 2. You are allowed to use a calculator. So let me see the answer that you are getting. You evaluate this part minus this part. I guess we are able to go about this. So let me see the answers that you are getting. Let me see the answers you are going to get. So this is where we are going to end from. Those of you that wants to join me, maybe you want tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology, you are an internal candidate or a GC candidate, this is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me on this number. I'm here to help you get a distinction. So let's finish this and let's see the answer we are going to get. You can use a calculator here. Answer this, answer this. I guess we know how to evaluate. So let's see how we are going to answer these questions. These are simple questions and let us answer them together. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.